How to use Vanilla Visa gift card online. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the steps to use Vanilla Visa gift card online. Now first thing, you want to make sure that you already have a Vanilla Visa gift card. And the next thing you want to do is open up your browser and type in the link that is balance.vanillavisagiftcard. So then it's gonna directly take you to the page where you could go ahead and redeem your gift card. All you need to do is enter in the 16-digit card number, the expiry date, the year, and then the CVV code. Once you're done entering the following information, click on continue. The next field, you just need to go ahead and follow the on-screen prompt or apply the terms and conditions. And if the card seems to be valid enough, you'll be notified with successfully added balance, and you could go ahead and use it to purchase anything online or use it in Amazon as well. So this is how you'll be able to use Vanilla Visa gift card online. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.